Good afternoon, everyone, my honored judges, my dear audience. Today, we have a very challenging motion. This House regrets the massive involvement of artificial intelligence in the professional workplace. I am Nabila Nur Hanifah from SMA Maospati, totally agree with the motion today. How this problem could arise? AI now deeply involved in a workplace. We regret this because it causes psychological pressure, social inequality, and loss of human control. Many people feel insecure and replaced by machine. Regrets mean disappointed about the negative impact of AI spreads in our professional workplace. Artificial intelligence is a technology that makes machine able to think and decide like human. Professional workplace is an environment where people work in companies or organizations. Massive involvement right here means the wide and dominant use of AI in many parts of the professional workplace, such as recruitment, decision-making, and management. In management, using employee monitoring AI, for example, Active Track, is used to track employee productivity and working habits. In recruitment, example, HireView for interview candidates. In social decision-making, LinkedIn match to job opening. If this motion is accepted, it means we limit AI involvement and return human-centered values to the workplace. For the regulation, the International Labour Organization, or ILO, warned that automation and AI create mental stress and inequality. The EU AI Act in 2023 limits AI in recruitment to protect workers. I am proud and confident to be on the positive side that totally agree with this motion. I take 2 points of view. The first point of view is psychologist. AI involvement creates a psychological pressure and mental health problems. When employees feel they are constantly judged or replaced by AI, it creates stress, anxiety, and fear of losing their job. Instead of motivation, workers feel powerless. This regret comes because AI reduces human dignity in the workplace. For the evidence, in 2023, survey by Deloitte found that 62% of workers felt anxious about AI taking over their job in the next 5 years. In South Korea, a study by Yonsei University in 2022 shows a higher levels of depression among call center workers monitored by AI system compared to those supervised by human. The second point of view of social aspect, AI creates social inequality and weakness human relationship. AI-based recruitment often rejects candidates unfairly, and workplace management become less human-centered. Workers feel disconnected from leaders and colleagues because machines make the big decision. This regret is clear that AI reduces trust, fairness, and social bonds. For the evidence, in 2022, Amazon had to stop its AI recruitment tool because it discriminated against female applicants, showing clear social unfairness. Number 2, a PwC survey in 2023 showed that 56% of employers think AI-based management reduces trust and social interaction in their workplace. For the alternative solution, instead of giving AI full control in the workplace, company should limit its role to support humans, not replace them. AI can be used for data analysis and technical assistance, but important decisions in recruitment, management, and evaluation must remain in human hands. Main benefit of this motion, by regulating and limiting AI involvement, we can protect mental health, fairness, and human dignity. Workplace will stay balanced that technology helps, but human keeps lead. It is clear that we should regret the massive involvement of AI in professional workplace because its negative impact on psychology and society, it is too strong to ignore. For all of the arguments supported by strong evidence that I have presented, I proudly state that I'm still on the positive side. Thank you.